This is called the Clip1 OpenEar Earbuds from SoundPeats. And as per usual guys, we'll check its physical overview, test its features, and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? The Clip1 earbuds, the charging case, USB-A to USB-C for charging, and some documentations. Now let's check out its physical overview. So the SoundPeats Clip1 features a clean and minimalist design wrapped in a rubberized material with a smooth dark gray finish. This actually feels soft to the touch. It uses N-Flex arc structure, a flexible titanium memory wire that gives the earbuds both strength and flexibility, allowing them to clip comfortably and securely onto your ears without putting any pressure inside your ear canal. And here's the big plus, these are also comfortable to wear with glasses. If you're someone who uses eyewear daily, you won't feel any extra pressure or discomfort around your ears. Each earbud is ultra lightweight, at just 5 grams. But this is the exact weight using this scale, so just pause the video if you want to take a closer look. Well, I guess that's all for its physical overview. Now let's check out its features. The SoundPeats Clip1 is powered by 12mm dual magnet dynamic driver with a titanium-plated composite diaphragm, giving you clean mids, bright highs, and surprisingly deep bass even with its open-ear design. Thanks to its LDAC codec support, you'll be able to enjoy high-res wireless audio for a more detailed and lifelike sound experience. It also features SoundPeats Dynamic EQ Pro algorithm, which automatically optimizes the sound in real time depending on what you're listening to, whether it's music, movies, or podcasts. For voice calls, the Clip1 comes equipped with a dual microphone ENC system that uses AI-powered noise cancellation. Bluetooth 5.0 is on board and also supports dual device connection, so you can stay connected to 2 devices at once. Each earbud features AutoSense wear detection, which automatically pauses playback when you remove them and resumes once you put them back on. Durability-wise, the Clip1 has an IPX5 water resistance rating, so you don't have to worry about sweat or light rain during workouts. Battery life is solid too, offering 8 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 40 hours in total with the charging case. And finally, there is a full app integration where you can adjust the equalizer, enable game mode for lower latency, and many more options which we will check out in a bit. Well, I guess that's all for its features, but if you want to know more detailed specifications, then you can check this out and pause the video. Now let's check out the app. So before you will be able to open this, you have to register to be able to log in, which is kind of annoying and unnecessary in my opinion. Anyway, the first thing that you'll see is the Clip1 earbuds and its charging case battery indicators. Under that is the Dolby Audio toggle, and you can choose between music or movie mode. Next will be these toggle options where you can toggle the touch control, game mode, in-ear detection, dual device connection, and dynamic equalizer. We can also customize this touch control, so just adjust them according to your preference. Now in this section, we can choose different EQ options. You can use the adaptive EQ, several presets, and create your own customized equalizer. Going back to the adaptive EQ, before you can use this option, the device will let you hear several sound frequencies for a few minutes and will create the best EQ settings for you. In this last section, it's just your profile, app settings, and several SoundPeats services. Well, I guess that's all for its app. Now let's talk about its sound quality. In the Dolby EQ setting, the sound output is actually pretty good. It has clear highs, warm mids, and deep bass. But I'm not satisfied with other presets and even with the custom EQ. It does not really deliver really well. But since we have several EQ options, I think I'll give this an 8.8 out of 10. So this is the sound of the built-in microphone of these earbuds connected to my iPhone without post-processing. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check. Mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just for comparison, this is the sound of the built-in microphone of my iPhone without post-processing. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check. Mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4. The built-in microphone sounds fine overall, though it emphasizes on the high frequencies and could use a bit more bass for balanced output. The noise cancellation works well, filtering most background noise and keeping your voice clear and prominent. So for the microphone quality, let's give this an 8.9 out of 10. As for comfort, these earbuds are extremely lightweight and put no pressure on your ears. I really love the Clip1 OpenEar design. It feels almost weightless, yet you still get impressive sound quality while staying aware of your surroundings. For comfort quality, let's give this a 9 out of 10. As for the build quality, the earbuds themselves look sturdy, and I believe this will hold up very well over time. So let's just give this an 8.7 out of 10. Next, let's check out its latency. So the delay is about 0.7 to 0.9 second even in game mode. Not really recommended for gaming but fine with listening to music. So for the wireless latency quality, let's give this a 6.6 out of 10. Now let's move into the conclusion and let's talk about the things that I like and don't like about this Clip1 OpenEarbuds. Let's start with the things that needs improvement. First, you'll need to register an account before you'll be able to use the app, which honestly I'm not really a fan of. It would have been better if we could just access everything right away without signing up. Second, the custom EQ adjustment don't work on the fly. There is a noticeable delay before the changes take effect. And even then, the difference between the EQ preset is quite minimal, so it doesn't really make a big impact. And lastly, the adaptive EQ test can be a bit uncomfortable. Personally, it gave me a slight headache, so I wouldn't recommend using this feature, especially for those who are very sensitive to sound. It is far better for you to just turn on the dynamic EQ and the Dolby sound in the first page of the app and be done with it. Now for the good stuff, like I said, the Dolby sound plus the dynamic EQ is awesome, delivering rich and impressive sound experience that really elevates your listening. The clip-on idea and the lightweight design is also great, making these earbuds extremely comfortable to wear even for long periods. Not only that, but the AutoSense feature that pauses the music when you take them off is super convenient and works really well. Also, in case you lose one of the earbuds, you can easily use the app to make the missing earbud play a sound, helping you find it in no time. Overall, despite of small downsides, I'd still recommend the SoundPeats Clip1, especially if you're after comfortable open-ear earbuds and great sound quality and practical design. So if you want to get one for yourself today, make sure you check out the links in the description and be sure to use the discount code for better price. But if you think this is not for you, then check out the other open-ear earbud reviews we have on your screen. So that's it guys, this is Mac, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.